Medical, semiconductor, and industrial OEMs trust Sanmina to simplify the management of complex supply chains. On our campus in Maalot, Israel, components are machined, enclosures are fabricated, PCBAs are produced, and multiple complex technologies are integrated during systems build and test. For medical OEMs who need strong regulatory compliance in the manufacture of advanced medical systems, the facility is ISO 13485 certified and FDA registered. Our team of highly skilled engineers has an exceptional compliance record with notified bodies and regulatory agencies. Our experienced team provides a comprehensive range of end-to-end services, including design support, design for manufacturing, supply chain design, prototyping, new product introduction, and integrated manufacturing services. This simplifies the complexity of global supply chains and optimizes manufacturing efficiency. Maalot offers integrated manufacturing solutions for production of highly complex systems, like these digital printers with multiple technologies, including electronics, motion control, fluidic, and mechanical systems. Here's an example of how integrated manufacturing services simplified delivery of a complex robotic surgical system. The system required a diverse range of manufacturing and supply chain capabilities, including precision machining of components with very high tolerances, manufacture of the enclosure, electronics, and management of component supply from a global supply chain. Mechanical components required special processes, including welding and painting. State-of-the-art production equipment ensures consistent quality and cost-effective manufacturing. Expertise in multiple manufacturing technologies on one campus provides customers with improved flexibility, better quality, and faster time to market. Electronic printed circuit board assemblies are manufactured and tested using advanced surface mount technology and test equipment. PCBAs and purchased parts are assembled with components manufactured by Sanmina and fully functionally tested. Expertise in multiple complex technologies, including electronics, sensors, and motion control, enables integration at a system level. Integrated manufacturing solutions on one campus delivers complex systems, simplifies supply chains, and accelerates time to market.